Hey, are you seeing water leaks, fire damage, or storm mess in your business? Disaster can strike at any moment, and you can't afford to wait. Even a small incident can stop operations, ruin property, and scare away customers. Every minute you wait, the problem and the costs get worse. At Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration, we respond fast. Our commercial restoration experts tackle water damage, fire cleanup, mold remediation, and storm recovery, restoring your space quickly, safely, and with minimal disruption. With decades of experience and core elite-level training, we handle even the toughest disasters, so your business can reopen confidently and stay protected. Don't let disaster shut you down. Call Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration today for a fast, professional commercial restoration plan.